Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Use a data-capable USB cable and plug the phone into your computer. Once connected, unlock the device and swipe down to open notifications. You'll see a USB option that likely reads charging or USB for file transfer. Tap it now. Choose Transfer Files, MTP, so the computer can browse media. This direct action avoids extra settings. Make sure the cable is fully seated and your screen stays unlocked while the OS establishes the connection. Once the notification route doesn't appear, go into Settings and locate Connected Devices or USB Preferences and explicitly select Transfer Files, MTP. If that option is hidden, enable Developer Options by tapping build number 7 times, then set default USB configuration to MTP. This forces file transfer mode every time you connect. On Windows, the device shows in File Explorer. On Mac, install Android File Transfer. These steps explain why. MTP tells the phone to expose its media storage. Now transfer files by dragging and dropping between your device folders and the computer, watching progress to confirm completion. Once finished, safely eject the device from the PC before unplugging to prevent file corruption. If the phone isn't recognized, try a different USB cable or port, reconnect with the phone unlocked, and enable USB debugging briefly in Developer Options to improve detection. If that still fails, reinstall the PC device drivers. These fixes solve the vast majority of connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.